In this video, we're going to go over what exactly current is. Now, when you hear the word current, you probably think of water flowing down a river. That's a good association. In fact, that's exactly where electric current gets its name. Electrical current is very similar to water current, only instead of water particles going down a river, charge particles move down a conductor, such as a wire. Current, which is given the symbol capital I, is the rate of flow of charge past a given point. When we say rate of flow of charge, we mean how much charge will pass in a given time, say 1 second. So in other words, it's the amount of charge that flow past a point in 1 second. Remember, it's the flow of charge, the movement of charge, that makes up current. We measure this charge passing a point in a second in coulombs. So the current should be measured in the number of coulombs that pass the point in a second, coulombs per second. In a wire, we'll count the number of coulombs that go past the point in a given time, and that will be the value of current, say 5 coulombs per second. A coulomb per second, if 1 coulomb of charge passes a point in 1 second, then we say that the current in the wire is 1 amp, short for ampere. An ampere, which was named by Professor Andrew Ampere, is the unit of measurement for electric current. Now, we must never forget that what a current is just a coulomb passing a point in 1 second. So if there's a current of 15 amps flowing, that means 15 coulombs are passing a point in a circuit in 1 second. Now, let's do a problem that demonstrates this. So here it says a current of 2.5 amps flows through a circuit in 2 minutes. How much charge passes through the wire? So it's asking us to look for charge. Here we have to use the equation C equals I into T. Charge equals current into time. Now, if we plug in the numbers, we get 2.5 amps into 2 minutes into 60. We put 60 there because we're converting 2 minutes into seconds. So 2 minutes become 120 seconds. And so this gives us 300 coulombs. So this means is that 300 coulombs passing a point in 2 minutes gives us 2.5 amps. There's a special device called an ampere that's used to measure the current flowing through a circuit. Now, just to clarify, if you could cut this wire and count the number of charge going by every second or whatever given time, that will be the current. So the greater number of charge that pass in a second, the higher the amps will be, therefore the greater the current will be in that wire.